continues. Chase Elliott continues to lead 8 seconds over Kyle Busch, 10 seconds over Hamlin. Truex up to 4th, 15 seconds behind. What's 15 seconds look like? Well, there's Chase Elliott right there. Kyle Busch comes in the picture.
Chase Elliott, he's in pit road.
Pit road now for Chase Elliott.
Think about the lead he has. Do not speed. No mistakes.
Mistakes is what I think about. Remember, that's how Truex got behind, was speeding on pit road.
And here he comes to you, Dave.
Chase Elliott pits leading. Remember, they needed a boost. They've been down a little bit. Chase said this week that they were off. Alan Gustafson confirmed that to me today. So they'll take on 4 tires and fuel and try to win it. And you're right, win here at Daytona.
Oh, and so maybe some problems here for Kyle Busch. He came in and said he felt like something blew up, and the crew just gave the "we're done" signal. So some drama here for Kyle Busch as they examine the right rear. We'll follow up on that. They did change tires, trying to figure out the issue on the 18, Dave.
Hamlin gave up 3rd place and is on and off of pit road with fresh rubber.
You see right here, they say it's broken, it's done. It's something in the right rear. I don't know if it was. Well, let's see if we pull it.
It's a mechanical failure. Can we get a rotor on it or no?
It was on
It's
the
a brake issue. It's a brake issue, guys. Brake rotor issue on the 18.
All right, we talked about this under red flag. These cars had sat. They got all heated up, worked, and then they sat, cooled down, perhaps cracked. It sounds like this is a car that's had braking issues. Let's listen to come to pit road. Oh, no, he doesn't even make the chicane.
He's trying to mash the brake pedal. There's nothing there.
Which tells me if you fail a rear rotor, then that rotor is gone. When you step on the brake pedals, you see the fire. That's brake fluid, I'm sure. The pads come out. No brake.
Mechanical.
No way to stop the car. Adam Stevens says it's mechanical because the crash clause. If you have a mechanical failure, take all the time you need. Unfortunately, with 17 laps to go, his chance of winning is over. In his awful 2020. This is the champion who has yet to win. Today was looking good. Reigning today.
Yeah, reigning champion, 113 points above the cut line. But would you ever think that you would have to mention the cut line and the reigning champion for the Cup Series? I mean, that's the crazy part.
Well, think about today. Not a single car has fallen out of this race. So most likely, he is looking at a last place finish.